Did you purchase a vehicle but never received the title? Have you lost the title and lost contact with the seller? Or perhaps you bought a vehicle from an out of state dealer who's no longer in business. Don't worry, there's still a way to obtain a title for your vehicle, and we're here to help. At cleanmytitle.com, we specialize in securing titles through our bonded title service. We will provide you with the necessary documentation to help you navigate the process smoothly. In no time, you'll have title in hand, enabling you to register your vehicle and drive legally. If you need our title services, please call us for a free consultation. Discover just how easy it can be to obtain the title to your vehicle so you can get registered and hit the road with confidence. You can call us directly right now for a free consultation at 708-925-0798, or you can leave your information in the contact box below. Leave your name and your email address and your phone number, and we'll contact you right away. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.